Hello students, in the previous class we had gone through binary operation and some terms related to binary operation like commutative binary operation and associative binary operation. So at the last we had learned that a binary operation on set A, it is also written as A cross A to A, is called associative if this satisfies for all ABC belongs to A. So for example, you can see addition and multiplication are binary on set, suppose real number are binary, are associative on, suppose, any set of integers. Why it is associative? For addition, A plus B C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is true for all A, B and C belongs to Z. So the addition is associative. Similarly, for multiplication, A dot B C is equal to A dot B dot C. This is also true, is true for all A, B, C belongs to Z. So addition and multiplication are associative, but division is not associative on set of real number, non-zero real number. Now another term related to this, identity element. How do we define this? For a binary operation on set A, that means binary operation from A cross A to A, an element E belongs to A. If it exists, it may exist or may not exist. If it exists, is called identity if. This satisfies this for all A belongs to A. For addition, as we know, 0 is the identity of addition. So 0 is the identity for operation addition on any set A. Suppose set may be, suppose you can take here integers, set integers as A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A for all A belongs to Z. So 0 is the identity for the binary operation addition, and for multiplication 1 is the identity for the operation multiplication. 1 is the identity for operation multiplication, as 1 A equal to A, 1 equal to A for all A belongs to set of integers. So identity element you came to know. Now inverse of an element. How do we define this? Suppose there is a binary operation on set A with identity E. Here identity exists, then we can think about its inverse. an element belongs to the same set A is said to be invertible if there exists another element B in the same set such that A, B, BA equal to E, that is equal to identity element. And inverse of any element A is denoted by A inverse. So here B is the inverse of A, so we write A inverse equal to B. Now for addition, example, for multiplication, binary operation addition, binary operation addition on set, suppose set of integers. What is the here? E is 0 is the identity element, so here E is 0. Now let A be any elements belongs to Z. So obviously here suppose B is the inverse of A, then B plus A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to, it should be identity element 0. So here B will be minus A. So here minus A is the inverse of A. So you can say inverse of A is minus A. That is, we can write in the symbol A inverse equal to minus A. For multiplication, operation, that is this, on set Z. What is the inverse of an element A? Suppose A is, let A be any element in set Z, and B is the inverse of A, and B belongs to A such that A dot B is equal to B dot A is equal to 1. From this we can get B is equal to 1 by A. So here B is the inverse of A, so A is invertible. Inverse of A is equal to 1 by A. But here A cannot be 0. A cannot be 0. That means 0 belongs to this set Z, but 0 is not invertible, because inverse of 0 is coming 1 by 0, that is undefined. So except 0, every element of Z is invertible under the operation multiplication. For multiplication, identity element is here 1. So that also you can mention identity element is 1. So it should be 1. Now let us solve two questions. Question number 1 is, let this be a binary on set L given by A. Image of this ordered pair is LCM of A and B for all AB belongs to N. First we have to find image of 5 and 7. So 5 steric mark 7 is equal to LCM of 5 and 7, that is equal to 35. In the same way, 20, 16, LCM of 20 and 16. So this is equal to 80. So image of 20, 60 is 80. So first question. Now second, is this operation is commutative? We have to judge, or we have to say whether it is commutative or not. So for commutative, you start A, B is equal to LCM of A and B. Now we can change its order. LCM of A and B is equal to LCM of B and A. So LCM of B and A, both are having same meaning. So B and A, it means B A. Image of AB is equal to image of B. So yes, this is commutative. Yes, this operation is commutative. Commutative. Third part is associative. So for associative, we prove this one. For associative, we prove A, B, C, C. So you start left hand side. For all ABC belongs to set of natural numbers. So for all A, B, C belongs to set of natural number. So you start from LHS. LCM of A and B. So LCM of A and B, here C. This is equal to LCM of A, B and C. So LCM of A, B and C. Now RHS. So here A, LCM of BC, LCM of B and C. Here also LCM of ABC, LCM of A, B and C. So both are equal. Therefore, this operation is associative. Now next part, find the identity element in set natural number n. Identity element. So for identity element, you know, and so identity element, let E be the identity element, be the identity in n, then it must satisfy the result A, E is equal to E, A is equal to A. That means that is LCM of A and E is equal to A. Therefore, all A belongs to set of natural number. So LCM of these two will be equal to A if and only if E must be equal to 1. except 1, there is no other element. So according to this, E must be 1, as LCM of A and 1 is equal to A. So LCM of 5 and 1 equal to 5. LCM of 1 and 5 again 5. So 1 is the identity. Therefore identity E is equal to 1 in this question. Now last one, which element of n are invertible? So let B of this element is invertible. So let B belongs to n is the inverse of any element A belongs to B. Then it must satisfy the condition that A, B is equal to identity element, that is equal to 1 here, and which is also equal to B, A. So B and A, here LCM of A and B is equal to 1. Here LCM of B and A, that has same meaning, LCM of A and B. Now you just try to find, suppose if you are putting value of A is 5, then here 1, then again it will not come 1. So it must be A and B both should be 1. So inverse of 1 is the only element which is invertible. So you can say as 1 is equal to 1, because LCM of 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So A must be 1 and inverse of A is itself A, that is 1. So A is equal to 1. So you can say 1 is the only element which is invertible. So 1 is the element in N which is invertible. So inverse of 1 is 1. Now question this completed. Now next question. Your question is, consider the binary operation this on the set A defined by this minimum of AB. Write the operation table for the operation this. So this is a function from here A cross A to A, set A cross A to A. So your number of elements in A cross A, number of elements in A cross A is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in A. So that is equal to 5 into 5. 5 into 5, that is 25. So this has 25 elements. We have to write all the images of these elements. So this is lengthy work, that's why we have to form one operation table. how do we form this operation table? Simply you write this one here, 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So forming operation table is very easy. Here you can write the operation, binary operation, that is this. So now image of 1 comma 1. So image of 1 comma 1, that is 1 is equal to minimum of 1 1, that is 1. So you can say image of 1 is 1. Now 1 2 1 2, minimum 1 2 is equal to again 1, because minimum is 1. So here 1. In the similar way, image of 1 3, again minimum will be 1. So 1 1 4 1 1 5 1. Now image of 2 1. So 2 1 is equal to minimum of 2 1. Again 1. So it is 1 and 2 2 will be 2 2 3 2 2 4 2 2 5 2. So 3 1 1 3 2 2. Minimum we have to take. So 3 then 3 then 3. Here 1 2 3 4 and then 4 4 5 4 5 1 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So this is called operation table for this operation. So there are many questions in your textbook. You can solve those questions, and questions are very easy. So you can solve the question very easily. All questions are very objective. So this is the completion of your first chapter, relation and function. Now from next video onwards, you will see inverse trigonometric function. Till then, bye. Thanks to all.